I'm Mutinda, appearing to remain accused.
So they are not going to proceed.
Proceeding this day until next week on the 9th.
So they are not going to proceed.
I appear in Mrs. Wambogo for the first accused.
These procedures, you can actually keep the legal police. That one will remain just
Within the
box.
prison.
Yeah, within the prison.
Rakama.
I appear in Mrs. Wambogo for the first accused.